Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is parts of your plant. Plant have roots, stem and leaves. Some plants also have flowers and fruits. These parts work together to help the plant live and grow. The two main parts of your plant are its shoot and root. The part above the ground is called the shoot. It consists of the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The part below the ground is called the root. The shoot grows upwards towards the sunlight. The root grows downwards into the soil. Roots grow deep into the soil and they usually grow below the ground. Functions of the roots. The root holds the plant firmly to the soil. It also holds the soil and prevents the soil from being washed away. It helps the plant to stand upright and prevents it from falling down. It takes in absorbs water and minerals from the soil and passes them to the stem. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance in the earth. It is not a part of an animal or a plant. The stem in turn passes water and minerals to the other parts of the plant. In some plants, roots store food. Carrot, radish, turnips and beetroots are actually roots which we eat. Different types of roots. There are two types of roots, taproots and fibre roots. Taproots. Some plants have a main thick root that grows from the bottom end of the stem. It is called the taproot, which further divides into many branches or side roots. These branches have very thin root hair. These root hair absorb water and minerals from the soil. Fibre roots. Some plants have clusters of roots of approximately same size growing from the end of the stem. These are called fibre roots. Some plants that have fibre roots are wheat, grass, rice and sugarcane. Shoots. Shoot consists of parts of a plant that grow above the ground. Stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds are parts of a shoot. Stem. The stem grows above the ground and usually holds the plant upright. It bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruit. It holds the leaves up so that they get plenty of sunlight. There are two types of stems, strong and weak. Certain trees such as banyan have a strong stem known as trunk which holds the tree upright. Plants such as grapevine and watermelon have weak stems. They either crawl along the ground or need support of other plants, sticks or walls. Functions of the stem. The stem passes food and water to all parts of the plant. It holds the plant upright. It carries water and minerals from root and food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. The red arrows show how the food prepared by the leaves moves to other parts of the plant. The blue arrows show how the water and minerals move upwards from the roots to the leaves. Some plants like the sugarcane and potato store extra food in their stem. We eat the stem of these plants. Potatoes, ginger and onions are underground stems. Many things are made from sugarcane. Name some of them. Sugar, brown sugar and jaggery. Leaves. Leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. The large waterproof banana leaves are used as plates to serve food. Parts of your leaf. Go to your garden in your school or a park near your house and pick up a fallen leaf. Observe both sides of the leaf. You will see a main vine and some small vines. These vines support the leaves and carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. Leaves also have many tiny holes called stomata and the lower surface. The air enters the leaf through these holes. These holes help your plant to breathe. Functions of your leaf. Leaves are where the food for the plant is actually prepared. They are called food factory or kitchen of your plant. Let us understand how leaves make food. The green color of leaves is due to the green colored substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Leaves make use of sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, and water and minerals from the soil to make food. This process is known as photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen gas is released. The food prepared by the leaves is sent to the different parts of the plant where it is stored. Non-green plants have different colored pigments in their leaves. The green pigment is also present but in lesser quantity. This with the other colored pigments allows the plant to trap sunlight and perform photosynthesis. Leaves of some plants such as spinach and lettuce are eaten. Functions of the important parts of the plant. The sun shines on the leaves. The air enters through the holes of the leaves. The leaves uses its green color to make food. The stem passes the water and minerals to the leaves. The roots take in water and minerals from the soil. Flowers and fruits. You must have seen different types of flowers in the garden, in your house and your school. Different flowers have different shapes, colors and smell. Some are fragrant. Plants need flowers to produce fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. Some have many seeds. The seeds are required to grow new plants. Let us see how a flower grows into a fruit. First, we see buds. The buds turn into flowers. Soon, the flowers fade away. The petals drop off. Then we can see small green fruit. The fruit grow and ripen. Fruit have seed in them. These seeds grow into new plants. Tell the two fruits that have one seed. Peach and plums have one seed. Tell the two fruits that have many seeds. Watermelon and fig have many seeds. Insects, birds and wind help in carrying pollen from flowering plants, which later becomes seeds and help in reproduction or producing baby plants. This is called pollination. Seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. A baby plant is hidden inside a seed. A seed also stores food for the baby plant. We also eat some seeds. To grow into a new healthy plant, seeds need warmth and light of the sun, air, water and soil. How are plants different from animals? Both animals and plants are living things. Both animals and plants need food, water and air to breathe. They grow and respond to the changes around them. They reproduce and die. Yet plants are different from animals. Let us see how. Animals do not make their own food. They depend on plants for their food. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and minerals, air and the green color present in leaves. Animals move in search of food and water from place to place. Plants cannot move. They are fixed firmly to the soil. Now we will see some words and their meanings. Taproot, the main root of a plant which gives rise to smaller side roots. Fibre root, a root system made of a cluster of roots of approximately equal size. Root hair, a thin hair like a branch of a root that absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Minerals, naturally occurring substance found in the earth that are not a part of an animal or a plant. Petals, soft and beautifully colored parts of a flower. Stomata, tiny holes on the lower surface of a leaf. Chlorophyll, a green-colored substance that is here present in leaves. Photosynthesis, the process by which leaves make use of sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, and water and minerals from the roots to make food. Upwards, moving towards a higher place or position. Downwards, moving towards a lower place or position. Upright, in a vertical or standing position. Plenty, in large quantity. Process, steps taken to get something. Fragrant, something giving out a pleasant smell. Fade, to lose color. Ripen, to be fully grown. Respond, to react. Let's sum up. All plants, big or small, have roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass it to the stem. The stem grows above the ground. It bears buds, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem carries water and minerals from the root to all parts of your plant. It carries the food prepared by the leaves to all the parts of the plant. Leaves have tiny holes through which they breathe. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. They make food for the plant. Flowers change into fruit. Fruit has seeds inside them. Seeds grow into new plants. Plants can make their own food, while animals cannot. They depend on plants for their food, directly or indirectly. Plants are fixed to the soil. They cannot move from place to place. Animals move from place to place in search of food. Hit the like and subscribe button. If you like this video, share with your friends and families. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you.